Welcome to semester 2 of the year 2022-2023 school year. And here I'm going to indicate to you the steps you can take to initiate your respective course. We are going to use Math 121 and SDA 211 and PHY 128 as examples. So we'll start with Math 121. So you go to modules. When you log into class 365, you go to modules, you go to learning management system. And well, I'm taking perspective from a lecturer's point of view, but it should be similar with you all. Basically, you locate your course. So let's say, for example, you are enrolled in the Math 121 Health for Sciences Fundamentals of Statistics. When you click on this course, the video that I'm presenting, you'll be able to locate it in discussions. I will send a message through discussions, indicate this video, and you go to resources. In resources, you'll get the course outline and the instructional plan. The course outline is for future use, for credit transfer when you enroll into your future university. But for now, you will need the instructional plan as to know exactly what steps to take to begin the course and what basically will transpire throughout the course. So when you click in an instructional plan, I'm going to provide you a preview as to how the instructional plan for Math 121 looks like, for SDA 211, and for PHY 128. So we'll start with Math 121. So for Math 121, that's how the instructional plan looks like. That's the cover page. And you'll get the proposed evaluation and weightings. Okay, you have assignment A, B, C, D to do the project, and here you have your evaluations, test A, B, and the midterm and the finals and their weightings. Now, all the information for this required to complete this course is found in the Google Classroom named CI3QYBO. We'll be going through this to review what's in there. And you can also continue to the Math 121 flowchart. It gives you the topics, the main topics that we'll be covering, starting with collection of data, and we'll be ending with probabilities. Okay, collection of data, organization of data, representation of data, numerical analysis of data, two variables, hypothesis testing, and probabilities. So let's go and see what is in the CI3QYBO with regards to Math 121. So that's a Google Classroom code. You must have a Gmail account, and you go to Classroom. When you log into your Gmail account, you go to Google Apps here in those 9 dots, you click on it. Then you go to Classroom. Then you go to create or join a class. You click on this. It's black T or black cross, and you join a class. If you want, you can create your own class. You can be your own teacher for whatever program you're doing. But for now, you join the class. You click on join class, and then you type in the Google Classroom code that was indicated for Math 121, CI3QYBO. And if you are Math PHY 128, here's the cover page. It's mathematical techniques in physics. So here you have a lot of formulas that you'll be manipulating, specifically formulas that are incorporated in physics. A lot of algebra is going on here. So that's indicated in the cover page. And here you have the weightings for assignments A, B, C, D. In class 365, you have a project, test A, B, midterm, and test D, right? All face-to-face. And your Google Classroom code is 2VKOHCY. So this is the code that PHY 128 will be entering in join class. And the SDA 211, here's the cover page. Similar to the statistics cover page, because fundamentals of statistics have to be a prerequisite. You must pass fundamentals of statistics in order for you to do statistical data analysis. So here is the topics for the project, and each part of the project you'll be submitting it in these different weeks, and it will end with a PowerPoint presentation and a presentation that you will be actually, presenting your findings. Okay, that's in week 12 to week 13. And the Google Classroom code that you will be required to use is SK2MHQF. Okay, but also I took the liberty of adding, all right, initial stages of research project. So you can look into this, click on this link, and you will see I have presented, all right, the steps for the initial stages for any research project using the learning of mathematics as an example. Okay, so here you have the research question, the hypothesis, the research objectives, and the questionnaire, and then statistics, so that you can actually process the data. So you must be familiar with this jargon because you have done fundamentals of statistics, all right, which is a prerequisite. So you can actually click on the YouTube link here so that you will get a presentation of these initial stages of research project. And for the entire instructional plan and for all the information needed for SDA 211, you click in SK2MHQF, all right, when you go to join Google Classroom. So with regards to the Google Classroom, we'll start with Math 121. So when you type in the code CI3QYBO, you will see the 4 topics: stream, classwork, people, and grades. So you go to classwork, and here you will see the course information, the project information. Okay. You will see assignment information, the YouTube links, and the weekly notes, Word and PDF, PowerPoint, and video format, so that you can complete your assignments and your project. And I will be also giving you additional supportive information as we go along. Okay, remember it will be face-to-face, so we will be working in conjunction as a blended with face-to-face and a lot of online information. Okay. So with regards to the PHY 128, when you type in C2VKOHCY, okay, and you go to classwork again, here you will see the information required. PHY 128, you have the course outline here and so forth. The assignment and project is here, and the units to complete, all right, to get the information, the content. Okay, the Math 121 have weekly notes, but the PHY 128 have units. Okay, and you have some recordings. Okay, I'll be giving you fresh recordings, but these are historical recordings from the previous, group that you can also use to help you along the way. And then you have SDA 211. When you go to classwork, you have the Zoom sessions, you have the general information. Bear in mind, it's a project. Okay, so you have the rubric for the project and the rubric for the presentation. You have that in the general information together with the course outline. Please download the course outline for future university enrollment for credit transfer purposes. So you have certain topics, but for this, for the Math 211, okay, you will choose your topic. Okay, you will choose your topic, but I'm going to give you indicate to you the guidelines that you need to follow. Okay, that each and every student must have in their project. Okay, here are the units to complete the different parts of the project. So let's go to the SDA 211 guidelines, what it looks like. So this document will also be made available to the SDA 211 group in the class E365. Okay, so you must have the variables. So every student must have, okay, at least 2 quantitative and at least 2 qualitative. So at least 4 variables in all in your project, okay? For data presentation, you must have at least 4 diagrams and at least 2 from this list. At least 1 pie chart, 1 bar graph, 1 histogram, 1 box plot, 1 normal curve. And for data analysis, you must have at least 2 of these distinct analyses. So at least 1 single t-test, at least 1 correlation and linear regression, at least 1 independent sample t-test, and at least 1 chi-square test for no association. So you must have at least 2 of these distinct analyses, or you can have all 4 separate, okay? For distinct, each one, it's according to what you are researching on, okay? This document will also be made available in class E365, as I said, and we will also be discussing it as the semester goes along. So just to conclude, when you log into your specific course and you go to discussions, you will get the link to this video and you will be initiated accordingly. Remember to please WhatsApp me at 22527 so that you can be added to the WhatsApp group chat. So that's another way of communication we'll be employing. I repeat, please WhatsApp me at 2255527 so that you can be added to the group chat. Provide your full name and the course code that you are enrolled in, and also click on the following link, YouTube link, for added instructions. So the YouTube link I'm talking about, this is for to access this video that is being presented.